Lesson 610 for pre-algebra is a story problem lesson, so it's going to be fairly quick. The story of this is to make a table. So if you remember, all of our story problem units in each chapter have had a specific way to help you solve story problems, and this one is all about making a table. So if you see this, it's kind of interesting. It says math strategies in action. Have you ever watched a baseball game at a field that doesn't have a scoreboard? It's really hard to keep track of the score. A scoreboard is a type of table. You can use tables to organize information. Tables are particularly helpful in solving problems that require several steps. So here is the problem that they have that they present in this section. At the beginning of the year 2000, the population of the United States was about 273.5 million. The rate of population growth was about 0.85%, so not even 1% per year. If that rate continues, what will the population be at the beginning of 2010? So they made a table to try and help organize their data, and then they put the years. So they want to get to 2010. So then they said, okay, population at the beginning of the year is 273.5. That's what they gave us at the beginning of year 2000. It went up 0.85%. So the increase in population was 2.3. And then if you look at the difference between these two numbers, they just added the 2.3 to the 273.5 and got 275.8. So then what they did is they took this number and started it for 2001, times it by 0.0085, and then added it and then kept going. So if you kept going on this table, you would get your answer. It's a lot of work, yes, but it's how they solve the problem. So you don't need to copy the whole table. I just want you to try these last 3 years. Copy down those last 3 years, or no, 4, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Okay, so 2007, we were at 290.1, and I'm going to times it by 0.0085. And then if you notice, all these are rounded. So I'm going to put this is rounded 2.5 because it's 2.46. So that rounds to 2.5. I'm going to add that to 290.1. So it would be 292.6. And then that's what I'm going to start here with. 292.6 times 0.0085. is 2.5 again, and I'm going to add that, so I get 295.1. So 295.1 times 0.0085 is 2.5 again, and then I'm going to be at, what is 2.5 is no, sorry. 297.6. So the population at the beginning of 2010 is 297.6. And then you're done. That is it for your notes.